Speaker National Assembly Ayaz Sadiq has said that Parliament is the right platform to deliberate upon and find workable solutions to common problems. He said that the energy sector in Pakistan has been grappling with challenges for decades. He also said that although Pakistan has become successful in tackling the issue of load shedding, however, rationalizing the energy sector is a pivotal for tackling the high cost of electricity in Pakistan. He expressed these views while addressing the conference, Parliamentary Consultation on Strategic Options for Electricity Distribution Systems in Pakistan, in Islamabad today. Speaker Sardar Ayaz Sadiq said that energy cost is a global challenge. Energy costs have skyrocketed even in developed countries, as has happened in Pakistan. The government is committed to rationalizing the energy cost for end users, he added. While highlighting the importance of the right person for the right job, he said that soon after taking oath as Speaker of the National Assembly, he conducted interviews of all official and officer of the National Assembly Secretariat to depute the right person for the right job. He emphasized the need to rationalize the human resource for their growth and evolution. He said that Pakistan's parliament became the first parliament to be a green parliament in the region. He also emphasized utilizing renewable energy sources. MNA Dr. Nafiza Shah, while addressing on the occasion, said that cheap and affordable energy is an urgent need. She also expressed gratitude to the Speaker of the National Assembly, Sardar Ayaz Sadiq, for gracing the event. She raised issues attached to energy being faced by each Pakistani. She also said, the energy crisis is one of the major bottlenecks which is hindering economic growth and progress of the country.